Hey, Mr. Bonilla. This is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. These call to actions are really good for your conversions. You have a good looking site here. There is one thing that I'd recommend, and it is adding some content to your homepage. The reason that I recommend this is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're looking through all the website's content on here, and they're looking for keywords embedded in that content. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And then you want some keywords embedded throughout. And here's an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair Houston. And the first thing that pops up here are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 here because they get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations than these businesses here. And what a citation is it's your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you also want to have some more reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing here. And the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And then you want to be as high up on this first page. Let's see if I can see you here. I don't see you on this first page. 90% of people stay on this first page. And then a lot of that 60 to 70% stays towards the top. So let's take a look at Atlas here. They are ranking number 1 for that keyword. And if we go through their website, they have some good call to actions, which help with their conversion. Another one. It looks like it'd be really easy to outdo them with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of each website. I have Atlas plugged in here first. And so we are getting this data from the Google data here. And the UR and DR are ratings that just show the trustworthiness and the authority of a site. So they have 34 and 17, which are coming from the 1.79 thousand backlinks that they have, coming from 249 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. It's kind of like a shout out. And you want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. The good quality ones will help with these numbers, but if they are spammy backlinks, they will bring these numbers down. And so Atlas also has 721 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged into Ahrefs as well. And so you have 22 and 1.4 coming from 582 backlinks from 50 referring domains. And you have 589 keywords on your website. And so in order to boost these numbers here, you need to get some more good quality backlinks. And one way to do that is called the copycat method. So you would go into Atlas's backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website because if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And then you would want to make sure to have good buyer intent keywords on your website. And so here are some keywords that Atlas has on their website and they're ranking for. So they're getting some traffic in from these. Foundation Repair Houston, 1.7 thousand people are searching for this every single month. This one, 400, 250, 250, 150, 250. And you can see this list just keeps going. And so what I would recommend here is adding those citations to your Google business profile so that you are ranking, as well as adding content, keywords, and backlinks to your website so that you can also start having this traffic go into your website. The more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting to your customers. And if you ever need any help implementing any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.